students will create a personal data protection strategy that outlines steps they can take to safeguard their information online. This strategy may include password management, identifying phishing emails, and privacy settings on social media. Approach: Step 1: Understand the importance of data protection. Define data protection. Start by defining personal data protection as the practice of keeping sensitive information secure online. Discuss risks. Briefly discuss common online risks such as hacking, identity theft, and phishing, emphasizing why data protection is essential for everyone. Step 2: Research key elements of data protection, password management. Research best practices for creating and managing secure passwords, such as use strong passwords, encourage the use of complex passwords with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Unique passwords for each account. Stress the importance of using different passwords for each account. Password managers. Introduce password managers as a tool for securely storing and generating passwords. Phishing awareness. Research common characteristics of phishing emails and scams, including red flags. Identify signs of phishing, like poor grammar, urgent language, unfamiliar email addresses, and suspicious links. Steps to verify. Learn steps to verify suspicious emails, like checking the sender's address and contacting the institution directly if needed. Reporting phishing. Find out how to report phishing emails to email providers or cybersecurity organizations. Privacy settings on social media. Research privacy settings on popular social media platforms, covering profile privacy. Set profiles to private to limit who can view posts and personal information. Location services. Turn off location tracking unless necessary. Limit sharing. Avoid sharing sensitive information like full names, addresses, and contact details publicly. Step 3: Identify additional security practices. Two-factor authentication. Two-FA. Explain what Two-FA is and how it provides an added layer of security by requiring a secondary verification method. Secure browsing habits. Encourage safe browsing practices, such as use HTTPS sites. Advise only using websites that start with HTTPS for secure browsing. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive actions. Explain the risks of accessing sensitive information over public Wi-Fi and suggest using a VPN. If needed, device security. Cover the importance of keeping devices secure by updating software regularly. Emphasize the importance of installing security updates to protect against vulnerabilities. Locking devices. Set up lock screens or biometric security to prevent unauthorized access to devices. Step 4: Create a personal data protection strategy. Outline a step-by-step plan. Organize the strategy with clear steps, including password strategy. Detail the student's approach to password creation and storage. Phishing defense. Describe steps to identify and handle phishing attempts. Social media privacy. Outline the student's chosen privacy settings and sharing limitations. Additional security measures. List any additional steps, such as enabling Two-FA or using a VPN. Step 5: Design the strategy presentation. Choose a presentation format. Students can create the strategy as a written report, infographic, or PowerPoint presentation. Organize the content. Organize the strategy into clear sections, for example, password management, phishing awareness, social media privacy, additional security measures. Add visuals. Use icons, screenshots, or diagrams to represent each security measure. For example, show an icon of a lock for password management or a shield for two-fa. Step 6. Review and edit. Peer review. Have students share their strategy with a peer for feedback on clarity, completeness, and effectiveness. Check for accuracy and clarity. Ensure all information is correct and that the strategy is easy to follow. Proofread. Review the text for grammar, spelling, and formatting consistency. Step 7. Present to the class. Share key points. If students are presenting, have them share the most important aspects of their strategy with the class. Encourage discussion. Facilitate a discussion on different approaches to data protection and allow students to share insights or ask questions.